Finding an indoor potty solution for your furry friend can feel overwhelming with so many options available. The Best Dog Litter Box offers a clean, convenient, and odor-controlled way to manage your pet's needs, ensuring comfort for both of you. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Hompet Dog Grass Pad. The Hompet Dog Grass Pad is a thoughtfully designed indoor potty training solution that stands out for its practicality and quality. Measuring a generous 41 by 27 inches, it is suitable for medium to large dogs and features a durable 3-layer system. The top layer is made of high-density, realistic artificial grass that mimics the feel of real turf, helping pets adapt quickly to indoor training. Beneath the grass sits a plastic drainage insert that directs liquid into a secure collection tray, ensuring floors and carpets stay clean and protected from accidents. The addition of 2 chew-resistant replacement grass mats enhances the product's value while preventing shedding and accidental ingestion. A noteworthy feature is the ultra-absorbent washable pee pads that not only manage odors effectively, but also offer a reusable, eco-friendly alternative to disposable pads. These machine-washable pads are sturdy enough to withstand repeated use, making them cost-efficient and environmentally responsible. The pad requires no assembly, offering immediate convenience, and cleanup is straightforward. Turf and pads can be cleaned with soak and water, while the base tray rinses easily with a hose. Designed for busy pet parents, apartment dwellers, or those without outdoor space, the Hompet Dog Grass Pad delivers both functionality and ease of use. Its thoughtful design ensures training sessions are less stressful, while the realistic feel of the grass encourages quicker adaptation for puppies. Number 2. Wolves Dog Grass Pad. The Wolves Dog Grass Pad offers a more simplified yet highly practical approach to potty training, making it ideal for pet owners who prefer an easy-to-maintain system. Unlike grass-style pads that require regular upkeep, this model uses a reusable tray system measuring 22 by 22 inches. It allows liquids to pass through efficiently while also handling solid waste, which drops directly onto the disposable pads beneath. This dual-function design minimizes messes and simplifies cleanup, eliminating the need to constantly wash or replace synthetic turf. A particularly valuable feature is the inclusion of 10 absorbent puppy pee pads with the package. These pads are highly effective at trapping odors and containing liquid, ensuring that the surrounding space remains fresh and hygienic. The tray itself is versatile enough to be used both indoors and outdoors, making it a convenient choice for apartment dwellers, homeowners, or pet owners who travel frequently with their dogs. Its design doubles as both a pad holder and a potty training tool, streamlining the process of housebreaking puppies. Another benefit is its puppy-friendly layout, which helps young dogs quickly adapt to the training process without confusion. By protecting floors and keeping pets clean, the Wolves Dog Grass Pad prioritizes both hygiene and convenience. While it doesn't simulate real grass, it appeals to pet owners who value easy cleaning and efficiency over natural feel. Number 3. LOOBANI Dog Grass Pad. The LOOBANI Dog Grass Pad is an excellent choice for pet parents who want a balance between realistic training and easy maintenance. Designed with a 3-layer system, it comes with artificial grass on top, a washable pee pad beneath, and a durable tray at the bottom. This setup effectively collects and separates urine while keeping paws clean and carpets protected. One of its standout features is the inclusion of 2 replacement grass mats and pads, which significantly enhances value while ensuring that pet owners always have a fresh layer available. The artificial grass itself feels close to real turf, making it easier for pets to adapt to potty training without hesitation. The tray measures 35 by 23 inches, making it especially suitable for medium and large breeds, offering them enough space for comfort during use. Its design includes a quick drain backing that prevents urine from pooling and reduces odor buildup. For cleaning, the turf and pads can be rinsed with mild detergent and water, keeping maintenance simple and hassle-free. This model stands out for its large size, realistic feel, and practical design, which together ensure a smooth training experience. Pet owners benefit from less mess, less odor, and an overall cleaner indoor environment. It's particularly helpful for those who live in apartments or areas without immediate access to outdoor spaces. Number 4. HQ4us Dog Grass Pad. The HQ4us Dog Grass Pad is designed with versatility in mind, offering multiple size options that cater to different breeds, ranging from small dogs as light as 3 pounds to larger dogs up to 100 pounds. The large option, at 34 by 23 inches, provides ample space for medium-sized breeds, making it ideal for homes with French bulldogs, beagles, and collies. Its most notable feature is the inclusion of 2 artificial grass mats with hemmed edges, which improves durability and prevents fraying during regular use. The grass is securely backed with black rubber, ensuring it stays in place, while its realistic texture encourages pets to feel comfortable using it. One of the product's advantages is its efficient drainage system, featuring 6 times more holes than standard mats, allowing urine to flow quickly into the pads below. This reduces odor and helps keep the surface dry. Maintenance is straightforward. Soaking the turf in soapy water before rinsing helps eliminate lingering smells, ensuring the pad stays hygienic. The design emphasizes both cleanliness and practicality, making it a strong contender for pet parents who want an effective indoor potty solution. However, it's worth noting that dogs may need a little training to adapt, which is normal for grass-style pads. The brand even suggests leaving a trace of urine on the grass to encourage dogs to use it. Number 5. 4-Legs Dog Grass Pad. The 4-Legs Dog Grass Pad is a portable and travel-friendly alternative to bulkier indoor dog potty systems. Measuring 33 by 23 inches, it is designed for dogs weighing between 10 to 60 pounds, though other sizes are also available for smaller and larger breeds. Unlike many competing products, this model features a foldable liner base that is lightweight and easy to carry, making it an excellent choice for families who travel often or live in small apartments. Its upgraded artificial grass design is ultra-absorbent, odor-resistant, and machine-washable, eliminating the common problem of urine stink associated with rubber-backed turf. The set includes 2 grass mats with hemmed edges, which adds durability and prevents chewing or fraying. A standout feature is the inclusion of 2 reusable, washable pee pads, making the system even more efficient and eco-friendly. These pads use a 4-layer structure: breathable mesh on top, super absorbent cotton in the middle, a TPU waterproof layer beneath, and a non-slip cloth bottom. Together, they ensure maximum absorption, odor control, and floor protection. Maintenance is simple, as the grass mats and pads are easy to wash, while the foldable liner adds a layer of convenience when traveling. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.